Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz, aka Royal Beauty. Today we're going to be doing a little review on a sonic facial brush from the company Duvolle. They sent me this brush to try out. I've tried a couple of their products actually over the years. I know I've tried their spin brush. I've also tried their flat iron, and their products are really good. So I was excited to receive this spin brush to wash my face with. It comes with a charger, as you can see here. There's a little charger port right in the back. All right, very waterproof and safe. You'll just need to plug this here USB into an adapter to plug into your wall and charge. The brush is made of food grade silicone and it's easy to clean, dries quickly, and will not breed bacteria. Here I'm just showing you that when you press the on button, the back will show you that it's on with this nice little blue light. That's how you know it's on. So it's really quite sleek and easy to grip with one hand, as you can see here. The cool thing about this brush is that it has 4 cleaning modes, and you can change to each one by using the plus or the negative sign. Here I'm just trying to show you guys how to, go up and down. Of course, it goes from high frequency to low. I was also in the video trying to let you guys hear how it sounded, like the sound that it makes. It's like a little humming noise. You probably can hear it a little bit. I had to turn the volume down because it ended up being way too loud in the background. But it's a very subtle sound. It's a nice light hum. But yeah, so here I'm just going to show you guys, well, I'm going to let you guys watch me kind of put a little bit of my face wash onto the brush. As you can see here, it's really simple. And then I wet my face and go ahead and use my brush. Now I'm simply just using water there on my face, nothing too special. And then I turn on the brush. And the way I like to do it is in a circular motion. I kind of just, get to scrubbing and massaging my face. I take my time when I do this most times just because I like how it feels, and most times I'm going by the 60-second rule of washing your face. So I do this every day whenever I wash my face. I do it twice a day. I wash my face in the morning and I wash my face in the evening, and each time I always do the 60-second rule. So as you can see here, I'm going in a circular motion. It helps to make my face wash even more foamy. It just feels really good up against your skin. I don't know how to explain it, y'all, but this stuff, it just feels really good. So the vibration frequency can reach to 6,000, from 6,000 to 12,000 times per minute. The low frequency impulse can promote blood circulation in the wrinkle prone area and help restore skin firmness and elasticity. Tongue tied. And the high frequency can remove dirt, grease, and residue. As you can see, I didn't have any makeup or anything on my face. I have not used this brush yet with my makeup to take it off or anything like that. I have been kind of just going with the flow lately with my face. I have not been doing a lot of heavy makeup, but I will come back if you guys want to know how it works with my, my makeup, taking off my makeup and things like that. But it's supposed to be really good with taking off grease and residue, so that is a plus. As you can see, this is my face after, and I'm so excited because my face is even more smooth. It's super easy to use it and sleek, and you don't have to do too much. It's not going to breed any bacteria because it's silicone. So brushes like these are very durable, and they come with a at least a guarantee that you can have it for a long time. I did not have to charge mine. I've had it for a month now and I haven't had to charge it more than twice. So the battery life is pretty good. I'm really excited about that as well. Nothing worse than washing your face and then the battery stops or it stops doing what it's supposed to do. Here I'm just putting on my moisturizer. I'm just keeping it really simple these days because I'm in the house. So I just put on my moisturizer and I keep it moving. But I have seen a great improvement in my skin since I started using this, so I'm excited to share it with you guys. I do have some links down in the description box for you guys if you would like to check it out. Please leave me a nice little comment and let me know if you enjoyed this video. I try to keep it short and sweet for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love you guys so much. As always, stay royal.